Here we have the Lathe Colchester 15 lathe. We got it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power, and we're gonna run it today and show you that it works. Just a few things about it here. It does come with some tooling here and some accessories. Right over here is your connection. One of them is for the work light, which is 120 volts. Okay, right in down there in that compartment, that's where your coolant pump is. And that's your coolant hose going out to your nozzle right there. And Doug's gonna run it here and show us that it works.
This is coolant pump, takes a second to pump up. See, the coolant pump works. I'm going to shut that off and I'll make a mess here. Then you got your chuck speeds right here. Start out with the slow one. Speed it up. Pull this guy here. Got the in and out. Go opposite way.
Okay, that is the Lathe Colchester 15 lathe.